As stated in our first video, we wanted to get a truck camper solution that would be comfortable.
That was a big piece. I'm a big whole boxy.
And it would be protective in inclement weather.
They're the worst. Stupid
Like
3M.
up.
I don't even know what they're called. I would never buy them.
And we decided to go with a old Snow River camper because of the slide out.
When you don't have the right tools like a razor to take this 3M sticky stuff off. I mean, I haven't used this tool in a long time, and it's for a zombie apocalypse, so obviously I haven't used it, but you use what you got, and it's working really well.
Yeah, what are you doing?
How about I'm scraping this really sticky stuff off?
I'm gonna prime and then see how many layers of paint we need after that.
Yeah, roll.
We were looking for a solution for a truck camper that was going to be comfortable and fit us really well, and we didn't have to spend $30,000 to $50,000 on a truck camper. So a remodel like we did with our house and our office at home was the way to go.
Yeah, but don't get the carpet.
Definitely don't need this old stuff. It's kind of just outdated a bit.
It's fun to see the little man getting into the remodel and becoming the first of our kids that will enjoy this new adventure with us.
So we're deep into remodeling. Dave's painting up there, tearing up this carpet. Subfloor looks pretty good. We're gonna put kind of gray wood linoleum right here. We were going for the vinyl plank flooring, but it's about 100 pounds for the amount we need, and we're getting close on our payload capacity when we calculate everything we want to take on our camping trips. So we are going for a lighter gray wood linoleum. Considerations. Tearing this carpet out might be the one of the more difficult things on this whole process so far. These little staples, you got to make sure you get all those out, because when you lay down linoleum, it wouldn't lay very well. You don't want to step on a spike on your foot either.
Covering pretty good. Primer. Still on primer. Won't be a while. We're painting them white because it will look way better.
I want to do this one. I want to do this one.
Buddy, do you like painting?
Yeah, I do.
What do you like about it?
Oh, I just like this paint.
For the table, for the dinette in the camper, we decided to wrap the table in kind of this granite-looking, marble, stone-looking vinyl wrap to give it kind of a new feel, and it's you can wrap it around the edges, and just makes it feel a little bit cooler, I guess.